What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing something that everybody else on the internet has done, and I am just joining the train because it looks a lot of fun. We're going to be mixing all of my foundations together and putting them on my face. I wish I had gotten this video done like a little bit earlier so that I could do a little bit more of a test, but it's 4:30 right now. But I do have, it's Friday and we're going to the movies tonight, like at midnight, to see Black Panther. So we'll get a good amount of wear out of it, right? Yeah, because we won't be home until like at least 2 a.m. and I'll check back in then, and that'll be a good amount of wear. But yeah, I haven't even counted. We can count as I go through them and mix them, but we have a lot of foundations. I wasn't gonna do my stick foundations at first, but then I was like, you know what? Fuck it, why not, right? So we have a lot of foundations. I have this little Tupperware to put them in. Kind of smells like salad dressing because that's what's usually in here. But it's okay because, you know, if my face smells like a salad, I honestly wouldn't be too upset. Rather it smell like bacon, but we can't win them all. Cheers, grab yourself a drink and let's get to mixing. Okay, we got our little container and we're just gonna go ahead and start. This thing like is kind of wobbly, but whatever. So first one, L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover. I did a review on this. Oh, that's a nice noise. Thank you so much for farting on me, foundation. I have a review on this one. Not my favorite, but it's okay. Next is Huda Beauty Faux Filter. I think I'm gonna do just one pump of everything. Next is Bobbi Brown, their new one. This one has like a short pump, so I did 2 of that. I'm trying to make it like equal of everything. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter. Next we have Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte. There we go. I'm super pumped about this, you guys. Next we have Luminous Silk from Giorgio Armani. Yeah, that could do like 1.5. Next we have Healthy Elixir from CoverGirl. So I'm gonna do all the pumps and then we can do the sticks at the end. Next we have Estee Lauder Double Wear. Okay. These pory ones are gonna be tray difficult. Next we have NARS Sheer Glow. Next we have Rimmel Match Perfection. Next we have the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer. I'm just gonna scoop a little bit of this out with my tweezer. Now we're gonna do a little bit of the Sephora Airbrush Foundation. Now we have Fit Me Matte and Poreless from Maybelline. Also, I forgot to mention that if I had like color doubles of anything, I'd just grab the one that's closest to me at the moment. Whoa, that might have been a lot. I'm like pumped about this. Like everybody else's reviews of mixing all of their foundations together was like very promising. So I'm pretty hyped. Oh, that was the YSL All Hours. Now we have the Maybelline Better Skin. Now we have the Kat Von D Lock It Tattoo Foundation. Now we're doing the Maybelline Superstay, one of my new faves. Now we have the Power Fabric from Giorgio Armani. I know, you guys, I have a lot of foundations that I've like never even told you about, but my foundation drawer is pretty packed. Now we have the Infallible Pro Matte from L'Oreal. Now this one is heavy duty. This is the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation. This is honestly very separated. Let me shake it first. Now we're gonna do Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation. I haven't even done a count. I'll do a count at the end. Now we're gonna put in some of Fenty by Rihanna. Next, we've got the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. Now we have the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Liquid Foundation. Now we have MAC Pro Longwear Waterproof. This is the Milk Matte Foundation. Disgusting. I have a review on this too. So I'm hoping this stuff doesn't ruin everything. Now we have the Too Faced Born This Way Foundation. This one's like almost out. I didn't realize how low I was on this. What else do we got? I think that's it for liquids. I think it's time for sticks. Oh wait, no, we have one more liquid. This is the IT Cosmetics CC Cream. Now we're gonna go into sticks. I'm gonna start off with my e.l.f. Moisturizing Stick Foundation. Where did my tweezers go? All the way back here. Okay. I'm just gonna scrape a little bit off into the container and then we will deal with mixing it later. Now I have my Makeup Forever HD stick. Now we have the Tint Idol Lancome stick. This is gross. I have a review on this one too. I wonder how this is gonna be mixing all of these sticks. Now we have the Tarte Clay Stick Foundation. Didn't like this one either. If you're actually interested in stick foundations, I have a whole video about them. This is the Bobbi Brown Skin Stick. There is so much foundation under my nails. Then we're gonna do the NARS Velvet Matte Foundation Stick. I'm not really a fan of this. I thought I liked it the first time I tried it, but turns out it's not that great. And then the last but not least, my all-time fave stick. This is the Vanish stick from Hourglass. This stuff is bomb. Okay, you guys, this is our little concoction. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix it as best as I can. And I'll come back to the big camera so that we can apply it. Okay, you guys, this is my little concoction of foundation. I am so excited to put this on. And when I look at the shade, it actually seems like a pretty good shade match. I feel like there's still like chunks in it from my stick foundations, but I don't really know how to get them out. I mix everything with my freaking tweezers because I had nothing else to do it with. So I think I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and dunk it in and see what happens. There's so much product on this table in front of me that I like literally can't find anything. Did I just get foundation on my head? What is that? I don't know. So let's go for it. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Where's my mirror even? This coverage, you guys, insane. I need to bring my mirror closer, BRB. Oh my God. It's blending out so nicely. It even smells good. Do you see this coverage? Oh my God, I knew this was gonna be the best thing ever. Like I literally knew. I've been watching everybody's videos and I've been like, yo, I really need to try this. Even if I don't film it, like I just need to know for myself. And I also put it in a container with a lid because I plan on saving it. Whatever I don't use in this video, I will be saving. Do you see this? Oh my God, it's such a beautiful finish. It's blending out so nicely. And to be honest, like I don't even like all of my foundations. Like a lot of them I'm just like, whatever, or I hate because I just like don't get rid of anything. So like there was stuff that I put in here that I really dislike, but it's like the perfect marriage. Like, ooh, shit, I'm like full glam. My hair today, my hair this week has just been like nonsense. Like I feel like I have a mullet, so don't mind me there. It's okay because I'm full glam. This is everything. Oh yeah, I'm so excited. Maybe I'll just keep a little concoction of all of my foundations on hand at all time for events and special occasions because like it's so full. I'm gonna zoom in. It's like full coverage and like full on glam for sure. But you guys, like it looks beautiful on the skin. Everything is so perfectly, like the finish is so not like the perfect amount of matte and dew. It just looks beautiful. And it blended out so nicely. I think I got some of my eyebrow over here. I might have to fix that. But this is so nice. I wonder how this is gonna like set into the skin. And the match, like the color match is really, really great. I'm pumped. Oh my God, this is bomb. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup and then we'll see what it looks like. I'm so excited. This is so good. Look at me closing the container because this is going into the foundation drawer for sure. I love it. Okay, you guys, the rest of my makeup is on and wow, oh wow. Like this is, oh, everything went on so beautifully on top of the foundation concoction and it just looks so flawless. Like this is literally the foundation of my dreams. I might have to keep this for my fucking wedding. Like this combination is so beautiful. It doesn't look cakey at all. It just looks completely flawless, completely like, this is incredible. I implore all of you to mix all of your foundations together and put them on your face because this is phenomenal. Like, I had seen all of the reviews or all of everybody else's videos and I was like, yo, like, everybody's saying that it looks beautiful on the skin. Like, there's no way that like all of these different combinations of foundations all together work so well. But like, do you see this? Like, what? Yeah, I am very, very impressed. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna keep this on for the rest of my life. Forget the rest of the day. I'm keeping it on forever. But yeah, I guess you guys, that's it for now. I'm going to check back in later at the end of the night and we'll see how it holds up. But honestly, I don't care if this falls off in 20 minutes as long as I get some selfies in it, because look at this shit. I am beautiful right now. I mean, I'm always beautiful, but this is like the perfect foundation in the world. You guys gotta try it. Seriously, you gotta try it, because like this is, not only was it fun, like you felt like a mad scientist, like mixing your own foundation concoction, but also like, can we talk about it? This is fucking bomb. Anyway, you guys, I will check back in with you later. So yeah, see you then. Hi guys, I suck at foundation reviews because I never get on camera at the end of the day and tell you how it went, but to recap on how my foundation went when I mixed them all together and wore it for the day, it actually went really, really well. I ended up having on my makeup until like 4 a.m. because we went to see Black Panther and that shit was long as hell and it started really late. But my foundation held up really, really nicely. I actually still have the container with it. I plan on saving this for my mom's wedding, which is coming up next month. I already told her, I was like, Mom, I'm gonna look beat. If you'd like me to make a concoction that is your shade, let me know because it's flawless. But yeah, I really loved it. You guys should all try it out, even just for fun, even if it sucks. It's just kind of fun. But yeah, I just wanted to recap to let you guys know how it went. But other than that, yeah. But other than that, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure that you give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And also, macho. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can be part of our little fam. I love you all so much. Remember that I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 9:30 p.m. and I will see you guys again on Thursday.